In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from PayPal to Xoom. So this is actually quite simple because transferring money from PayPal to Xoom is very straightforward, as Xoom is a PayPal service designed for international money transfers. And here's how you can do it. So first, you have to log into Xoom using your PayPal account, and this is done by visiting the Xoom's website or opening the Xoom mobile app. So as you can see over here, this is the website. It's just xoom.com, and that's where you want to go. Or of course use the app as I just said. Now from there, you want to click login and select the option to log in with PayPal. Then enter your PayPal credentials to access Xoom. And then after this, you'll have to initiate a money transfer, of course, and you can click the Send Money button and then select the destination country for your transfer. Once you've done that, you'll be able to choose the delivery method, which can be either bank deposit, cash pickup, or mobile wallet, depending on the options available in the recipient's country. Then you have to enter the recipient's details, such as their bank account information or the location for cash pickup, in case that is available in their country. Then you have to select PayPal as your payment method, and when prompted, simply choose this payment method, and then of course you have to select PayPal balance or any linked payment methods within your PayPal account. So in case you don't hold any PayPal balance, what you should do is just essentially link a card or bank account, and you'll be able to use that via PayPal. Then you want to review the transaction details, including fees and exchange rates, and then confirm and complete the transaction, which is quite simple. What's also important over here is to beware of the currency conversions, because you have to ensure that your PayPal balance is in the correct currency for the transfer. If not, you may need to convert it within PayPal before initiating the transfer through Xoom. So in case you're getting any errors, you will have to do that and be aware of that. Then you have to also know about the fees and limits, so be aware of any fees associated with the transfer and any limits on the amount you can send. And then as the third part, you have to also take a look at your recipient requirements, because the recipient does not need a PayPal account to receive funds through Xoom. So that's important to know as well. If they do have a PayPal account, you can just send from PayPal to PayPal very easily. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.